crazy world. With my man journalist. I reminisce. It's my man Mr. Cheech, y'all. Pete Rock and CL Smooth. Mr. Sex on the shit out. It's like that.
For all my lost chums who caught one, before I take swigs of the lig, I pour some. Might shed a tear here and there when a thought come. Sure say your birthday, of course I sport one. To show that I lost one, your soul should remain on the block. Paint a picture in memory of, then put your name on the top. About the time when Kane had dropped, the Wranglers were hot. We played a game of rock with a hanger and sock. Where it used to be, you think I forgot? Cats around the way, we still cool, but we ain't hanging a lot. Back when Putt was banging the pot, listen to Snoop spit and give me the loot was like a video shoot. Man, Corey used to sit on the stoop, laughing at Dez. His body shots made you in your boots. All the hood rats, we hit them in groups. And I had the scoop, cause Fat Robbie couldn't fit in the coupe. My God.